Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on the Grubhub app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and you're going to an Airbnb or a hotel and you want to go ahead and change your address. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Grubhub app. Next, click on your address on the top left-hand corner, and then this is where you can enter your new address. So enter your new address, and then once you enter your new address, what's going to happen is that the restaurants, grocery stores, and fast food places are going to auto-populate based on what's nearest to you. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change addresses on the Grubhub app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.